For all Brazilians that live in USA, you guys need to get this Aieve snack coater. Guys, today I will make a Brazilian Brigadeiro. For those who don't know what is Brigadeiro, Brigadeiro is a Brazilian fudge, chocolate fudge or coconut fudge, what flavor you want. And today I will show you guys how it works. So guys, I will let the recipe down below for you guys follow up. And this snack coater is for every recipe that need topping. Brigadeiro need sparkling. You can use it for popcorn too, sweet popcorn. I'm gonna show you guys with my Brigadeiro and let's see the shape. You guys can see. And you apply your kidney with this little piece here. I'm gonna put my kidney for you guys see here. Let me show you guys how to stop. You're gonna need to open here all the parts that come with the coater container. Bushing bearing, the bushing bearing is this part here. Okay. Angle blocker is this one. Okay. And this spatula they sent to you as a gift. Okay. And you're gonna install here, tie this way, and you install this here. Okay, this way. Yeah, right. And this one is here. And you rotate it. You guys get it? So guys, I'm going to make my Brigadeiro. I will let the recipe down below for you guys follow up. And I will use this chocolate sprinkles. Oh, you guys see? So guys, after you make your Brigadeiro, you make little balls like that with your dough. You're gonna put it in your sprinkles here. You put your brigadeiros there. And we're gonna turn it on. I think it's enough. And now you pick up your Brigadeiro or put in a little cup. I hope you guys like. Check it up there, Iggy, and check it up that discount code too. Bye, guys. You guys like that? Let me eat this Brigadeiro here. So good.